tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to 5 by 4. Find the value of x. This is HSC board class 12th. Okay, right? Inverse trigonometry. Now you know that there is a formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to, what is the formula? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is the formula we have. So we use that. So what I can write here, tan inverse 2x into 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to how much? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. This is what they given. Right. So what I get here, tan inverse, I can get 2x x plus y, na? This is x plus y by 1 minus xy. So 2x plus 3x, that is 5 by x, 5x. 1 minus 2, 3 is a 6, x into x square is equal to pi by 4 you got. See, now tan inverse, see a tan inverse something is pi by 4. So tan inverse udhar bhejunga. Can I send tan inverse that side? If I send that as, I get a 5x by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4. What is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is how much? 1. So here get as 5x minus 1 minus 6x square is equal to 1. Do the cross multiplication. 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. Send this side. 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Right? We can find the x value. 1 6 is 6. 6 will get in which table? 1 6 is 6. So 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Why I use the 6 here? 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so I can write here 6x common, x left plus 1 and minus common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. I hope these factorization you know very well. X plus 1 into 6x minus 1. You know here you have to take 1 if it is nothing is equal to 0. So x value you got 1 by 6 comma minus 1. Hence x value is, see if I take this is 0, x is equal to 1 by 6. If I take this is 0, x equal to minus 1. So the value of x is minus 1 comma 1 by 6. See, people are saying that, some of them asking here, you can use this 2 into 3. If I use the 2 into 3, what I get? 6x square plus, if I use 2 3 is a 6, if I use, I get 2x plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Look at here. In this both, what is the common thing? So here, they are asking for that, the doubt I am explaining. Okay, this is not an answer. Look at here, madam. Two x plus 3x, that is only, no, you asked. In this both, what is the common? 2 and x common. 2 table 3 times. 1x left and 1. Correct? Correct? Now plus, I can take 1 common. I get as what? 3x minus 1. Will these both will be same? Will you, these both are same? This is 3x plus 1. This is 3x minus 1. You cannot take common. So 2, 3 combination not getting. Are you getting what I said? If I take 2, 3 combination, you cannot take out. There is no common in both the factors. If I take here 2x plus 3x, what happens here? 2x, if I take 3x plus 1, if I take 1, 3x minus 1, must get both same. इधर 3x में plus 1 आया तो उधर भी 3x plus 1 आना चाहिए. वैसा नहीं हो सकता है, संभव नहीं है. समझ में आया? तो आंसर नहीं है उसके लिए, यही सही है. See here, 2016 question. Sin inverse 1 by root 2, find the principal solution. So you know that, yeah, keep quiet. So sin inverse x principal solution lies where? Sin inverse x will lies between, range will be lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Remember na? Sin inverse range is what? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi 2. That is the principal value of the sin inverse. So this question, see, that's very simplest question. They ask for 3 marks. This is sin inverse. Let us take 1 by root 2 is equal to something x. Okay, how they are writing here? So principal value of sine inverse x lies up. You have to write like the principal value of sine inverse x lies, because it is a 3 marks, so write like this. Principal value of sine inverse x lies in between this. So sine inverse 1 by 2 you took x. So sine x is equal to what happens? Sine x is equal to 1 by root 2. So sine x is equal to 1 by root 2 when it is comes sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4. Since pi by 4 lies between pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Since pi by 4 lies between, otherwise you can write pi by 4 belongs to, you can write like this also, minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Hence I can write x is equal to pi by 4 is the principal. X is nothing but what? Sine inverse 1 by root 2. So the principal solution of this is pi by 4. Hence you have to write there the principal value of sine inverse 1 by 2. आपको ये ऐसा लिखना है. Therefore the principal value of sine inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. Because it's a 3 marks question, so you have to write all these steps compulsory. You should write like this: sine inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to x, sin x equal to 1 by root 2, sin x equal to pi by 4. So this branch is lying in between this. So sine inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. So this is, they asked for 3 marks in 2016. 2016 March question. This is in related to sine inverse. Sine inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x pi by 2, then x is equal to dash. MCQ question. Now what to do here? What to do? Simple. 2 sine inverse x and that side. So what I get here? Sine inverse 1 minus x. Look at here. Look at here. Listen to me carefully. आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, सुनो इधर. Sine inverse 1 minus x is equal to minus 2 sine inverse x and that side. Pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x you will get. Pi by 2 plus sine inverse x. This is sine inverse, send that side sine inverse, it will become sine. So 1 minus x is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x you will get. As you know that sine 90 plus theta is what? Sine 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is the second quadrant. Sine in this is positive. 1 minus x is equal to sine 90 plus theta is cos theta. So I get cos of 2 sine inverse x you will get. So I can write 1 minus x is equal to cos of 2 sine inverse x can be written as cos inverse 1 minus 2x square. You can write as cos inverse 1 minus 2x square. Okay. So therefore what we can write? Cos of cos inverse x is what? Cos of cos inverse x is what? Cos of cos inverse x is what? X. So what I get here? 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2x square. Why we did here? Cos of cos inverse x I required. So 2 sine inverse x we converted into cos inverse. How to convert it? Even I explained in JE also, you can look at that. And even you have formula also. Okay. So cos of cos inverse is 1 minus 2x square. So you got 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2x square. Now send this is everything here, 2x square minus x, and plus 1 minus 1 cancel equal to 0. Plus 1 if I send this side, minus 1 cancel out. So if I take x common, what I get here? 2x minus 1 equal to 0. From this I got x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 2. So now you have option 0 also, 1 by 2 also. Now what to do here? Substitute 0 in this and check the answer is correct or not. Means substitute here also 0, here also 0. Will you get pi by 2 or not? Substitute half here, will this is satisfy or not? That is what you have to do it. So for 0, what is you are going to get here? For 0 it will be satisfied. How? Simple. By observation you can see here. Sine inverse 1 minus 0. That is sine inverse 1. Dekho idhar. Sine inverse, you have sine inverse 1 minus 0. X place I am substituting 0. Only one answer is correct. Sine inverse 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 2 sine inverse 0. See, sine inverse I will get as sine inverse 1 minus 2 sine inverse 0. So you know that sine inverse 1 is how much? Pi by 2. Sine inverse 0 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. So answer you got pi by 2. So it is equaling to pi by 2. Hence x is pi by 2 is the right answer. Means x is equal to 0 is the right answer. Are you getting what I said? Understood? Understood na? Yeah. चाहिए मैं बता दूँ